AMZ Money Machine, opportunity or scam? Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for ways to make money online, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the AMZ Money Machine, a program that's making waves on the internet. Is it the real deal or just another scam? Stick around as we uncover the truth. All right, let's start with the basics. According to its official website, AMZ Money Machine promises to help you rake in over $547 per day by uploading ready-made books to Amazon Kindle. Sounds like a dream, right? But as the old saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now let's break down some of their bold claims and see how they stack up against reality. First off, the claim of earning $547 per day. Think about it, uploading pre-made books and instantly making that kind of money. It's exaggerated at best. Realistically, consistent income on Kindle takes strategy, time, and effort. There's no shortcut. Next, the promise of a fully automated system. While automation can help, every system needs some level of setup, monitoring, and optimization. No such thing as set it and forget it in the real world, folks. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. And let me know in the comments, have you come across programs like this before? Let's keep the conversation going.